This frog is very angry. It's getting ready to unleash a battle cry that will terrify its enemies.
Wow, quiz!
What sound does it make when it's angry? Is it A, B, or C? Wow. A tiny kitten is looking for attention and calls its caretakers. What sound does it use to call them? Is it A, maybe B, or C? Wow, is that a cat or a spaceship? I almost couldn't tell. Maybe the next animal won't sound so out of this world. Check out this cheetah relaxing with its friend. It decides to have a chat with its visitors. What sound do you think it makes? Is it A, B, or C? I guess this wild cat is ready to be a house cat. Unlike this goat who just isn't in the mood to get milk today, she makes it very clear to her farmers in her own unique way. How does she tell them to leave her alone? Is it A, or B, or C? I guess she was in a bad mood that morning. Speaking of mornings, the owners of this farm will never have peaceful ones thanks to this rooster. How does the rooster wake them up? Is it like this, this, or this? That small town rooster might just make it as a rock star one day. Hiya, it seems like 78% of you are not subscribed yet. I would really appreciate if you joined the Nightfall and subscribed for more powerful videos. Back to the video. Next we have a cute, fluffy little koala who is calling for his mate. What sound does he use to call her? I bet it's not as cute as you were hoping for. Let's look at another animal from Australia. This kangaroo is warning someone to stay away. But what warning does he give? Is it A, B, or C? That kangaroo sounds like a dinosaur, and honestly, it even looks like the deer version of a T-Rex, right? Here is another animal who wants to be left alone. What does a caterpillar even sound like? Is it A, B, or C? I wish I could say this sounds like music to my ears. Anyway, speaking of music, let me bring back an old question.
What does the fox say?
That last one was actually a trick question, because truth is, foxes make every sound. Nightfall, sometimes things are not as we expect them to be, but one thing you can always expect here is seeing me in the next
Wow, quiz!